Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Zoho CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Google Drive to your Zoho CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link or connect your Google Drive to your Zoho CRM? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sharing documents between your team can be time consuming and confusing. So if you link your Google Drive to your Zoho CRM, when your documents are uploaded in your Zoho CRM, they can be shared directly into your Google Drive. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Zoho CRM. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Zoho CRM, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link or connect your Google Drive to Zoho CRM, up here on the top right, you're going to click on this gear icon. Once you click there, you're going to look for this little box here called Marketplace and click on All. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see a lot of different integrations, but you want to click up here in the search bar and just type in Drive. Once you do that, look for Google Drive. Okay, so it should bring you here. This is the Google Drive extension. So what we're going to do now is we're going to click on this yellow install button. Okay, once you do that, you do need to agree to the terms of service down here, and then you want to click on the install button. Okay, once you do that, you want to go ahead and once again agree to the terms of service, and then agree to authorize Google Drive to access and process my data, and then you want to click on continue to install. Okay, now you want to choose who you're going to share your Google Drive with. So admins only, all users, or you can click right here and choose between the admins and team members that you have. For me, I'm going to go ahead and leave it at admins only and confirm. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes, and this is going to pop up asking you to authorize Google Drive. If so, click on authorize, this blue button on the right. Okay, next, Google is going to open up a browser asking you if you'd like to share your Google Drive with your Zoho CRM. So choose the account you want to share. Okay, now Google's going to warn you that you're going to be sharing these permissions with your Zoho CRM. If you're okay with that, click on continue. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see my Google Drive is connected to my Zoho CRM. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Google Drive to your Zoho CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.